In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix error code found on Minecraft Windows 10. So let's get started. We're going to look at various solutions, so you can go ahead and try all of them out to see which one works out. And the first one we have is check for updates. Check for updates. So ensure your Minecraft Windows 10 edition is up to date because updates often include bug fixes and improvements. Check for updates in the Minecraft or the Microsoft Store. The next one we have is the verify game files. Game files. Okay. So verify the integrity of your game files to ensure there are no corrupted files. This can be done through the Minecraft launcher or the Microsoft Store again. The next one we have is adjust your graphic settings. So lower your graphic settings to see if it improves and prevents the error. Experiments with different settings like render distance, texture quality, and shadows. The next one we have is check for mods or add-ons. Check for mods or add-ons. So if you're using mods or add-ons, they might be causing the conflict. Try disabling them one by one to identify the culprit. If you find a problematic mod, consider updating it or uninstalling it. Well, you can then try updating your drivers. So update drivers. So make sure your graphics cards drivers are up to date because outdated drivers can sometimes cause performance issues, and you can do this by visiting your graphic card manufacturer's website for the latest driver. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.